TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Morning, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 260. You get the NASDAQ off 50. S&Ps are down 26. Gold contracts down $6.60, trading at $1,118. You get silver down 16 cents at $14.54. Platinum's down 9 at $9.97. You get copper. Copper just gave back everything that it gained yesterday, plus another penny. Copper's down 7 pennies at $2.31 a pound. Light sweet crude is off 74 cents at $46. You have the bond market. The 10-year up 3 ticks, 127.16. 30 up 21, 155.04. Now both the 10 and the 30 gave it up on price. You have the volume, though, which is pretty amazing for a Friday coming into the Labor Day weekend. So that is saying that the bonds are going to be right back topside more than likely Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. King dollar can't handle higher price. King dollar's down 3 ticks right now, 96.42. What King dollar tried to do yesterday, well, what it did yesterday, it got into a minor swing point, couldn't handle that swing point, did have volume behind that move. This morning, it tested that high, rejected that high. We'll see if, in fact, it's going to just back down slightly. Euro is flat at 111, and the yen is flat at 119.23. Now, if we go over and we take a look at what we have happening in the marketplace, this is what you have, folks. Yesterday, you had a major failure in all the indices and the ETF structures. You had gone higher. You had lighter volume, you rejected price. What we have out here this morning is that you're backing down. Intraday, you have confirmed ABC structure down on the S&P futures. They are trading out at 1919 right now. That confirmed ABC structure on the way down, it gives you a price projection of 1885. Now, the high volume swing low that we had established on the 1st of September is 1898. So your probability is pretty high that we're going to, number one, get down to that price point. And what a confirmed ABC structure means is that you just broke the B point and you broke it with volume. So your probability does go higher that that's where that market wants to go. As we're coming into the long weekend, most times you have light volume into these long weekends. What I expect you're going to see here, though, is that you're actually going to see the volume pick up, which would be really amazing if it did. Yesterday, you only did 800 million inside the NYSE. Inside the NYSE right now, what is driving that baby lower are the financials. JP Morgan Chase, that is down $1.35 right now, trading right into the bar that was established out here on the 24th of August. The 24th of August, of course, folks, the deeper that you get into that bar, individual stocks, the more probability is that you'll go to the bottom of that bar. Inside the NDX 100, Netflix. Netflix is the leader coming into lower price out here. Netflix right now is down $3. You're at 98.15. That bar, the top of that bar on the 24th that we're talking about is 109. The bottom of that bar is 85. But just as the other equities and ETF structures traded that day, there's very few trades at the low of that bar. You know, you had the tick come off, but at the low of that bar, there's very few trades out there. So bottom line, what I expect you're going to see out here is this. You're going to see lower price. You know, we'll see whether we get an expansion of volume. Bottom line, it's going to be really tough for someone to walk in front of this train on a 3-day weekend with China closed. China will open our Sunday night. Futures will be open Sunday night at 6 o'clock. Bottom line, if you're long this market, get your stops in. That's what stops are all about. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can call 855-750-4051. That's 855-750-4051. Or you can visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great holiday weekend. Have a safe holiday weekend. Look forward to speaking to you right back here, 10 o'clock Tuesday morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.